Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to install these gauge pods up here, and we are going to install boost gauge and a narrowband air-fuel ratio gauge. So stay tuned, let's get started. Alright, so I got the center console all torn apart here. And I got the radio surround piece unbolted. I think I'm going to mount these two pods right here. I had to trim them in the back to make them clear the dash. There's two bolts on either one to hold those in place. I think I'm going to mount those right now. And then I just got to figure out how to get the wiring through here. And then, yeah, get the gauges mounted in. I got to run a wire back here to the computer, to the oxygen sensor wire, which is in here for the air fuel gauge, and then I got to run the boost gauge vacuum line out to the engine bay, and then I'm going to splice my power and ground for the gauges and for backlighting and stuff off the back of the radio. Alright, so I went ahead and I've got these mounted. And then I drilled holes back in the back there for the wiring to go through. Now I just got to pop these back off, mount the gauges, and get the wiring through there, and reinstall them. And then I can put this back in the car and run the wires to where they need to go. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. Gauges are installed, pods are installed, wiring is coming down through the holes. Now we just gotta reinstall this and run the wiring and the vacuum line and go from there. Let's get to it. And just like that, they are installed. Let's make sure everything works. Pretty easy. Everything works. I'll know what kind of boost pressure, and I guess a rough idea of your air-fuel ratio. And when I modify this engine, I'm going to want to get a wideband for it, but that'll work for now. It's something I had laying around. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.